Buongiorno Miami, welcome back to another episode of Breaking Ground with Valentina, your inside look at South Florida new construction. Again, this is your favorite Italian realtor, bringing you the latest opportunities in real estate, always with a touch of Italian flavor. Andiamo! Rivage Bal Harbour. Welcome to Rivage in Bal Harbour, the very Bal Harbour Riviera. Here we go. Another amazing project by Realtor Group in collaboration with two other groups. And this is just fantastic because, first of all, we passed groundbreaking a long time ago. The project is going to be delivered beginning Q1 2028 and maybe even end of 2027, so we're not that far from completion. Now, we always talk about exclusive projects by the beach. Here, it's just incredible. There is about 48 units, and I say about 48, why? Because there is still an opportunity to combine different floor plans and make it a very special unit customized to your needs. So if you want to combine units, we can still do that. They're still able to accommodate your needs. Now, as you can see, there is some beautiful floor plans that start at 3 bedrooms, okay? The 3 bedrooms start at 3,300 square feet, and then we go up to the penthouses. There are pure villas in the sky. There is still an opportunity to create your own penthouse if you like. So I don't know how long the developer is going to allow this, because as you know, the construction progresses, and so it becomes a little bit more difficult to really create your bespoke floor plan. But there is still an opportunity to come in, so definitely send me a message about that and see what we can do. Now, you can see here the waterfront, the oceanfront is just incredible. If you know Bal Harbour, this is the newest development that probably is going to come up for the next 12 years, because the only other opportunity to create another project in this land, as you know, is very exclusive, very unique. It's going to take a while. They're going to have to tear down another building. That takes time. So if you want to come into Bal Harbour, this is the tower for you. Now, the starting price is start at $18 million for the units facing the east side, the water. If you instead want to look west, so west facing, they start at $14 million for the 3 bedrooms. And what else can I show you here? Of course, amenities up until all the like and interest that you may have. There is, of course, an east side pool. There is a west side pool. There is, of course, a padel, pickleball, and tennis court. And then they're going to have this amazing parking lot actually below the building, which I love. Why is this amazing? Because I love that it's not taking space from the building. It's just going to be below ground, which is fantastic, nicely hidden. And then, of course, there is going to be a fantastic spa, gym, a Turkish hammam inside for you to enjoy, stay healthy, stay beautiful. And what else can I show you here? So if you know Bal Harbour, this is a great location. Is about the 3rd building coming from the bridge that connects to from Sunny Isles to Bal Harbour. So you have the Ritz-Carlton, you have the Bal Harbour House, and then you're going to have the Rivage right here. So you have amazing buildings nearby. You have the Bellini on the right side, and then you have these amazing views really from both sides. And welcome to my favorite part of the unit. You guys follow me, you know, I love the kitchens. So we have Wolf appliances here. We have separate ovens. This is very nice also for kosher cooking and everything. Now look at this beautiful gas stove. You know that I'm a fan of the gas stoves. It's just, first of all, it's visually beautiful, I think. And then for whoever cooks, it's just fantastic to have the option to cook with gas. And another little detail that I really love, and it's very rare to find. Oh, I'm turning on the gas stove. Okay, hopefully I'm not blowing up anything here. So one detail is the little faucet on top of the gas stove. So when you're cooking, for example, pasta, right? First thing that comes to mind, you can fill up the water pot right here. I love this. So you don't even have to bring it from this side to the other. Everything is done in this area of the kitchen. I just love it. There is a couple of customizable options for the countertops. Don't look at the floors because the floors actually have evolved and changes from the beginning when they started selling the project. So this is not the actual finished tile, but you can definitely customize the countertops as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode at Rivage in Bal Harbour. I just love saying Rivage. It's such a fun word to say, and it brings me back to the Italian Riviera, of course. And as usual, you know that I'm here for you. So anything that you need to know or details about this project, I'm available. Send me a comment here. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. Be nice, but I'm open to your comments always. And for now, arrivederci until the next episode. Ciao, ciao!